Hey guys, what is up? This is Rod with Bear River Sports Cards, and I am going to do a basketball break for you guys today. Rip on some of these cards here. This is Panini, of course, Mosaic, and it is a 2023 to 2024. Look at the price on this thing. I don't know if it's still the same or if it's gone up, or I haven't priced these for a while. I've got a lot of product from like 23 up until now. So I've been trying to catch up on, trying to get some of the boxes of the 23 especially broke for everybody on the channel. But again, so let's get cracking on this. It's still very relevant. There's a lot of good players that are going to be in this, and let's see what we're looking for actually. 14 mega box exclusive Mosaic parallels. So we're looking for those Mosaic. Look for ultra rare inserts, including stained glass and the new micro Mosaic. So yeah, maybe we'll get some cool cards, who knows. Hope you guys are having a good Saturday. Excuse me. All right, let's get these packs out of here. Lots of box for this product. I guess it's pretty well protected, but it seems a bit overkill to me. I always thought that about these. Well, that's cool. All right. Again, we're looking for those key players. Wouldn't mind getting a LeBron or Stephon or anybody, Shea, anybody that's good, I should say. That didn't open very well. All right, so see something pretty cool back there, maybe. All right, we let's not get hung up and stuck on these too long. We're on Tyrese Halliburton. I'm not gonna read all these to you. They're good looking cards, they're chrome. Number cards, autograph would be cool. Matisse. We got, let's see, Kobe White. I hope that's a good distance. I have a hard time seeing through my viewfinder. Okay, so Darius. City Edition. That's actually a pretty good card. I wish it was a numbered card. Cool. What have we got upside down here? Cards all over the place. We got Rupert. And then what is this? What am I looking at here? I actually don't know. Rookie card of Trace Jackson Davis. Golden State Warriors. That's a sweet looking card. Obviously don't know all these cards, but if you guys see something that's extra special, drop something in the comments. I'd appreciate it. We got Jason Tatum. Pretty sweet looking cards. And we've got Joel Embiid and Kristaps. Sorry. Yeah, these are sweet looking cards. Actually, I can't tell. I have such a small viewfinder, it's hard for me to tell if these are in focus or not. But anyway. Cool. We'll put all these pretty cards up here. Go back through and check everything. All right, that was the first pack, and we're going to start our stack of base over here. Big plans this weekend. I took a weekend off from going over to my property on the Bear River. Get some things done at this house and my home front, and yeah, do some card breaking. So I don't know if there's autos in this. They didn't mention anything about autos, so don't know. So which means we're going to be looking for those numbered cards, special inserts, short print, super short print, whatever's in here. So got the base here. First base was Zach, and then we've got Dorian, Eric, Gordon. Nice shiny cards, stout cards. Daniel, base. Turn every which way loose. We got Brandon, rookie card. We got Azure Thompson, or Azure Thompson. Yeah, I need to pull these rookie cards out. That's what I didn't do. Okay. Keep lots of rookie cards, just in case. We got Eric Gordon. And Dwayne, Epic Performers. I'm going to have to start putting on top of each other. Tyrese. Sweet looking cards. All right. Or you know what? I can put them down here. Put you base here. Put the rooks here. Start lining these up, which I should have done before. Need to get some better stands. These things are, they're cheap on eBay, you know, but they sure flop around easy. Okay, I don't know if I covered anybody else. And we got Karl Anthony Towns. Actually, they're cool cards. Okay, we are down to 4 packs. We've got like 25 of these mega boxes left of this. And I just saw something on that card. And I better get my act together and start checking these better instead of messing with the stands and not paying attention. All right. I'm looking for numbers on the back because I forgot that Panini puts numbers on the back of their basketball cards a lot of times. At least that's been my experience. I can't keep up with all the changes and rules, and too many cards, too many parallels, inserts, short prints, super short prints. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. It's just so much to keep up with, so you just do the best you can. All right, we've got Hachimura, I guess. Rue. I didn't say that right. We got Zach Collins. We have Branham. Wiggins, Andrew Wiggins. These are all base, of course. We got NBA, Jamie Jaquez, rookie card. So we want that rookie card down here. And we've got Maxwell Lewis on the rookie card. We got upside down Joel Embiid on the Epic Performers. That's a cool card coming up. So yeah, Joel Embiid, Epic Performers. Nice looking card, right? Great player. And I like these cards. I think they're cool. I think they're underrated, actually. I think they're sweet. Jam Masters. Giannis. Nice card. And we've got Christian Braun. Look at that card again. I collect these. I think they're cool. Cool. All right. This is a special, and I don't even know what a special, I don't even know what I've got, but it's Buddy Healed. Don't know. Is Buddy a good player? This is a 3 of 10. You can see the number up in the right-hand corner, so that's a nice numbered card. I don't know exactly what I'm looking at this card. It's super cool looking. I need to take a second here and look at something on the back of this box. So this is a green fluorescent numbered card, as near as I can tell. So a green fluorescent number card, and 3 of 10 on Buddy Healed is how I'm saying this, or Heiled, but I think it's Healed. That's pretty sweet. Cool. There's that number up there. All right. Let's put you right here. Well, there you go. It's a nice card. Unfortunately, I don't know a lot about their players for Philadelphia. And we know who won the NBA championships, which is a big boo for me, but that's okay. So we've got Pascal, D'Angelo Russell, base, Michael Porter, base, Damian Lillard, base, NBA greats, Tim Duncan, Thompson, rookie card, and we got the debut of Trace Jackson Davis, Golden State Warriors, rookie card, pretty sweet. Thunder Road, Kawhi Leonard, Clippers, number 1. Trey Jones, San Antonio Spurs. Sengun on the Rockets. We are down to 2 packs. So far, I think that's the winner, guys. Derek Jones. Curry. I wish Curry was on the green fluorescent. Curry base. Bridges base. Trae Young base. Thompson on the debut. Rookie card. Hey, I just noticed this. We got 2 bases. That's cool. 2 rookie cards. Pretty sweet. All right, Bailey. Towns. Base. Giannis. Elevate. Man, I'd like to get autograph, you know, for as much as these things freaking cost. And that's it on this Cade Cunningham. PJ Washington Jr. Mavericks. Last pack, guys. All right, we have Spencer Dinwiddie on the base. Caleb Martin on the base. Zubac on the base. Stewart on the base. There's LeBron. Base card. I never get super great names. City Edition, LeBron on the base. Never get the really good players on, you know, the special inserts and number cards. I don't know why, I just don't. And we got a rookie card here of Jackson. Coming down to the last couple guys. So Isaiah Stewart. Paul George, Jam Masters. I still think they're cool cards. I like them. Hard to see that name with all of the refracting going on. They really are hard to see. All right. Oh, this is cool. We got two. We got a Thunder Road. All right, so check this out. Ended up with these two cards at the end. I think this is a special insert too. Like I said, if you know something, please drop a comment. I go through and I verify all this. I do my due diligence, of course, to make sure I'm not giving something away or throwing something away or whatever. This is two cool cards to end with. This is actually cool. All right, guys. Get all these penny sleeved up and cleaned up, and I appreciate you stopping by and checking this out. Had a lot of fun doing this. Always have fun breaking and ripping cards. I'm trying to mix it up more because, again, as stated in my earlier video I did on baseball this morning, I do a lot of Marvel and Star Wars cards, and that's really my passion, but I love baseball and basketball. So I'm trying to pick up the pace on the sports cards and kind of lay off the the movie and trade cards. So again, you're going to see more and more breaks and rips on sports cards. Baseball, basketball is all I do. I don't do football anymore. So this is on deck next. It is indicating one autograph or relic card. I hope I don't get a relic card. They're usually not very good and worth anything. So, I'm going to do this actually the 28th, which is tomorrow, Sunday. So check back for another video dated Sunday for the baseball break. And we'll see, like I said, hopefully we'll pull an autograph. And even better, hopefully we can pull a really good autograph. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. I will be back at it tomorrow, Sunday the 28th. You guys have a great Saturday night, and we'll see you later.